Welcome back to my channel Piyu's Artsy. Hey everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I will show you how to make a boat with paper. So let's start. The things required are art paper, pencil, eraser, scissor and scale. Take an art paper of any color as per your choice. I have taken measurements of 20 cm into 30 cm. You may take measurements of your choice. Accordingly, the size will vary. Now follow the steps as shown in the video. this much for today. If you have enjoyed my video, please like the video and let me know in the comment section what artworks you want to see in my next video. For more such updates, please subscribe my channel and join with me. I will bring you more such exciting craft works in my next video. Till then, bye bye.